I'm Jazz from Group Technologies, and we're here at the Sound Devices booth. I've got Cody here with me, and there's a new mic to talk about, along with some customizations. Cody, can you tell us more about them?
Yeah, so what we're talking about today is our handheld microphone that's come out with our Astral series receivers. One of the really unique features about it that we ran into in a lot of our experiences with award shows and pop shows and customization was the challenge that you always had to commit the entire transmitter. Well, now what we did with our system is we've teamed up with Rebel Trading Co. and we can now customize the transmitter, and you can just have different aspects of it, right? So if I want to make it white for half of a set and then green for another half of a set, I can just change the modular parts rather than having to have a whole separate transmitter that's been committed to that color.
Amazing. So I think the versatility and particularly the fun with these colors are amazing. Got a bedazzled option too. Could you tell us a bit more about the technical capability of these microphones and what we should expect?
Yeah, so spectral efficiency, as we know, has really been difficult. The capability of this handheld in particular is 470 megahertz to 1525. And so we really feel passionately about that to support people on tour or installs, wherever they're going in the world, to have spectral access instead of some other stuff where you're kind of stuck in the same space as everybody else. And that's, as we know, have caused some challenges. So we're really hoping to be able to alleviate it with that.
Amazing. So we've got great technology, a great look as well. So Cody, can you give us a bit of an overview of the feature set?
Yeah, absolutely. So kind of starting from top to bottom on the handheld, again, one of the things we really wanted to do was not only was spectrally efficient, but was kind of hone this into everyone's workflow. So one thing that's really unique to us is that we do have our own capsule, which is a fantastically sounding dynamic cardioid. But we understand that a lot of people have existing relationships with capsule manufacturers or different tones that they like. So we wanted to be able to support that in any way possible. So what you can do is actually take our capsule off, and the top side of it supports a Sennheiser ring set. And what you can do is, if you don't have a capsule that supports that, you take these 3 screws off, flip this over, and now we support the Shure ring set. So depending on DPA, Neumann, Shure, Sennheiser, Austrian Audio, anything that's out there capsule-wise, we can support. So one of the other cool features is just directly below that, we actually have a 3-button, a 1-button, a slider, or no button options for our control rings. And you can really hone that into your workflow. So it can be a talkback switch, it can be a power switch, it can fire macros on a Digico from GPIO, whatever you want to do with it. So we wanted that to be a really great feature for people. It is water resistant, so that was another really big feature for us. And then the cool thing is to also hone in workflow. If you do have one of those really big heavy capsules on the end, we've actually got a counterweight option in the bottom here. So you can unscrew this and throw in a counterweight, and you no longer have the inability to have it balanced. Single 18650 battery cell, which is a very super common battery out there in the world. So if you need to send a runner down the street to get a battery, you don't got to worry about that. And then just our rocket antenna design. So another issue that people have had in RF space in general has been when the bottom of the mic gets cupped and they cover the antenna, you've had some loss in signal, and we've alleviated that challenge as well. So just a couple things we tried to do with this handheld.
Amazing. It sounds like you've taken a lot of feedback and taken it on board with this development. So this is a new product offering for Sound Devices. Can you tell us how you got to this point of offering a microphone for release?
Yeah, so that's a fantastic question. And always with Sound Devices, it's been very much a user-focused company, right? So trying to alleviate challenges out in the field that people are constantly running into. We adore taking that feedback and being able to hone that into our products. So supporting the end user to the utmost potential has really been our top priority. And so all of these features have come from field challenges and past experiences. And, I've just adored that part of the company to just always try to help support the end user.
That's so great. Well, it fits in really well with the entire ecosystem of Sound Devices products. Thank you so much.
Of course. Thank you. I really appreciate it.